So I got my knitting machine today. I'm excited. We're going to take it out of the box and see what we have. So we have some instructions. Oh, I hope they got something other than Japanese, Chinese. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, wait a minute, here it is. Here's English. But that's what opens up first. Me no speak Chinese. We got some, I guess this is sample yarn, so you can not use your own stash. Legs, I'm assuming. I'm just taking a guess here because there's no instructions on how I'm happy. Okay. So the first thing I notice is I don't see the white peg here, unless I'm just missing it. I don't see a white one, do you? Nope. Okay. Well, the counter's set to 2, so let's see how we do this. Accessories. Says there should be a screwdriver here somewhere. Oh. Plastic feet. I'm not real sure about that. Suction cups. Darning needles. Crochet hook. Smaller needle. Tension guide. And screwdriver. 4 legs. Now I saw screws, but they probably blended in with the carpet. Oh! Thank you, darling. Oh, those are little. So the instructions immediately start out with knitting, but then you get to how to put the thing together last. Okie dokie. Let's see if we can take our screws. I love this. Wow, those are tiny. Okay, so turn it upside down. There. And then take this little bitty screw. there. Okay. That's kind of awkward. What? Made it work. It does come with suction cups, but I don't have the table out right now to magnify to, so I'm just going to turn it down. It's got a stitch counter that's already at 2, so somebody's used the machine already. No, I'm just kidding. And then I don't see any instructions on how to install. So, well, there's QR codes here, but it shows you how to thread the machine. It says how to start. So, if you're going to do the tube, it's this one. If you're going to do the panel, it's this one. But I don't see any instructions on how to install this tension doubler. I don't know what this is called. Anyway. Okay, so there were no instructions on how to install the tension thing, but what you have to do is press these together so they kind of overlap, and then they'll pop into these little grooves here. So, and the peg, this peg needs to go up so that your smallest tensioner is closest to the thread holder. So now I've got to figure out what is the starting peg, because I don't have a white peg here, or maybe I just haven't spun it around to find it. So let's just do that. Let me see what it's on. It's on 2, so I can spin it right there. Okay, my fabulous husband found it. There it is.
Oh man.
So anyway, that's the unbox. We will do another video for our first attempt at this. I'm excited, but a little scary. Bye.